Spinel. Isomorphic impurities of ferrum, magnesium, chromium, zinc. The crystal structure of the mineral is close to the model of the densest cubic packet of oxygen, the voids in which are occupied magnesium ions. Indeed, as if reflecting this model of its crystal structure, Spinel forms ideally developed crystals of octahedral habit, has a very high hardness 7.5 to 8 and increased density 3.6 grams to cubic centimeters, despite the low atomic mass of magnesium and aluminium. Spinel color varies. An ideally pure substance should be colorless. From chromium impurities, the color becomes pink, red, iron green, green, black, blue, depending on the total amount of the iron and the ratio of ferrum. Glass shine. Spinel is a high temperature and pressure mineral. It occurs in the form of good crystals and grains in metaphoric high magnesium rocks, in marbles and calciferous, due to the metamorphism of carbonite clay rocks, around bowdines of pegmatite veins and other feldspathic rocks among marbles, as one of the minerals of diopside, polygopite, calcite, metasomatic rocks in archeognesis and shales. There is a peculiar association of all these deposits. These are calcite and magnesium silicates, diopside, forsterite, polygopite. Pink, red, purple spinel is a precious stone, recognized by single inclusions of crystals, their shape and high hardness.